Okay, today is October 25th, 2024. I'll be backtesting a week's worth of data from August 15, 2022 to August 19, 2022. So today's Monday. It's a no news Monday. I just skipped to 10 a.m. to see how 10 a.m. opened. We're trading inside this daily bearish for value gap, but as far as the 4-hour and the 1-hour go, we've been disrespecting bearish PD rays. We just closed above the 4 and the 1-hour here, but I do think we can get a rebalance of this leg. I started this recording pretty late, so obviously you can see a little bit of sell-off here to rebalance this leg. We have this 5-minute inversion. If this were to get closed below and we get closure below these lows here, we'd get that market structure shift. I'd wait for a retest of the 5-minute targeting this 15. So yeah, kind of just see what has to happen here. We're going to create this little 5-minute, see if we can tap into this and it can push us lower here. Super tiny 5-minute there. One more candle. Okay, so we're gonna get this 5-minute close here. So I'm gonna take this 5-minute to the 15-minute rebalance, but I am gonna put a sell order for better RR here. Just one con. Doesn't matter where I put this because we're gonna change it anyway. So I'm gonna sell limit here, targeting this 15-minute rebalance. This would be about, see the RR on this. Yeah, so I want the 15-minute rebalance, and I think we'll be able to snag. And here it's 5-minute intermediate term low. We'll target this 15-minute rebalance, 5-minute intermediate term low, final TP here, right? So come back to this 1 minute here. So this is exactly what I want to see. This again a 1-to-1. Let's see if we can get filled here. Okay, so we don't end up getting filled here, but correct draw. Winning trade. If I were to have gotten on this 5-minute here, I think I would like to have saved the 32 ticks, whether or not getting into this 5-minute now, just for better risk to reward. But like with the inversion model, depending on your close, you can get in a 5-minute. Like if the 5-minute were to close here, I would get in there, but I would definitely like to see a retest. But great draw. We got to the 15-minute rebalance. Rebalance this leg, got to my draw. Cool. Okay, now we're heading into Wednesday. I accidentally skipped too far in Epic's replay on Tuesday. And either way, it was just a bunch of chop, bad price action, an unteachable type of day. I want to show wins and losses, but I want you guys to be able to learn from it as well. So on to Wednesday. Wednesday, we have 8:30 news, 2 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. If it's not the FOMC conference, I won't trade the day. If it is the FOMC conference, I will not trade the day. But if it's the minutes, I'll still give it a go. So 8:30 was this candle. There was data highs, there's data lows. They're both taken. So we can just continue to move on here. So we're trading inside this bullish 4-hour. We're trading inside this 1-hour broke. This. Okay. So we'll look at 12 here. 12. Okay. So 12 opened up. Manipulation down. Yeah, kind of just looking for us to trade maybe in this leg. Retest this 1-hour bullish for value gap, but I'm expecting a New York reversal. So I'm expecting to be bullish on the day. Yeah. Let me just readjust this right here. Yeah, expecting to be more bullish on the day. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, 15-minute rebalance right here. Again, a good target. As far as the 5-minute goes, trading inside this 5 minutes. Go ahead of the 1 minute here, see if there's any equal highs, equal lows. Some equal highs here. Just another good target. So we have two good draws on liquidity here. And my bias is bullish. So keep looking here, more equal highs to target. And these will be the two. All right, so about 3 draws on liquidity. Two sets of equal highs, 15-minute rebalance. Let's go ahead and go for it here. Yeah, so we'll just continue clicking forward until maybe we can get a long setup into these equal highs, 15-minute rebalance here. So I'm kind of looking at this 5-minute here. Right, so 5-minute has not been inversed yet. Kind of look at this 5-minute here. See what we do here. We want to keep always making sure, right, we're not building up too much low resistance liquidity if we don't have equal lows, because we won't long with equal lows below, we won't short with equal highs above. So yeah, just looking at this 5-minute here. Okay, 5-minute holds. Okay, so we're just gonna take all of our targets out. Yeah, fun. We still have our 15-minute rebalance. Okay, take these equal highs. Okay, the 15-minute rebalance is also a unfilled 1 hour per value. Okay, we're gonna see all these lows. You definitely could see. No, maybe on the 4 hour. Just okay. So we just swept this low inside of this fair value gap. Let me quick check where previous day low and highs. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we just swept this 4 hour low inside of the fair value gap. Let's see how we can reject. Not 5-minute yet. Okay. 2, 3, 3 minutes. Let's see what happens here. This 1 minute maybe broke by like small stick, so we're inside this 2-minute here though. Okay. Yeah, I think I'd still probably end up waiting for this. Right, so the 2-minute held, which is good, but I think I'll still end up waiting on this 3-minute here. 3 minutes to close here. I think if you can get that close above this 3-minute, close above this high, we should be golden here. 3-minute closes in 2 minutes. Yeah, okay. Good. Yeah. So I like this. I like this 3-minute. I'll take this 3-minute. It all depends on the R, whether or not I wait for a retest or not, but I like the 15-minute rebalance as a target here. Yeah, it all depends on the R. I think regardless, it'll be a 1-to-1. It's 134. I think I'd have stops. I'm just trying to see, like, if I take it here and whether or not I want to have stops at this fair value gap below. I do really like this 3-minute though. Okay, I think It's all, yeah, it's also the hourly rebalance, yeah. Yeah, okay. So I'll wait for the retest here. I'll wait for the retest because it's about 133 ticks here. I want stops. Let's wait for this one out here. I mean, wait for the retest here. So, I mean, I'd probably want stops at the swing low here. Yeah, I'll wait for the retest here. Entry here. All right, we're trying to get the best RR, right? If we come here and like even holding to this low is 177 versus what we are, right, our actual target, right? That being 131. So we're just gonna wait for the retest just for restore ward, right? Because here we get 196. Here we get, a nice 1.5 here. So we'll end up getting filled here. Remember, it's off. I'm taking this off this 3-minute here. We'll have break even at these new internal high. So I'll actually quick update all of these here. It's going to be 135.44, 35. Cool. Yeah. Again, unfilled 15. Stops the swing low. And this is this is the trade we're looking at. So we'll get to break even here. And I'll go ahead and partial off here. Take off a con here and hold the rest of my thing. So TP1 break even. We would to guarantee that. I believe that was like $250 there. $250 there or so. Don't know why this got moved up. Okay. So it's here. Yeah. So on to 250. TP1 break even trade. So we'll move on to, and we'll just continue to skip the TP1 break even ends up saving us. We run these lows, and yeah. So we'll move on to the next day here, which is Thursday. We do have news at 8:30. Skip the next day open here. So again, news at 8:30. Not really doing too much of it. No really abnormal wick. This is, maybe you could consider this abnormal as like a data low, but it was taken out either way. So maybe 4 intermediate term high here. Opened up here. So Asia actually manipulated to this bearish rally gap. Go the 1 hour. Or I'll make it just 1 hour rebalance. So yeah, we have an unfilled 1 hour below us. Trading inside this bullish rally gap here, and I believe also the 4. Yeah. So trading in 2 higher time frame bullish rally gaps. We could see this 1 hour rebalance before we get the actual, trade up. I think for sure. All right, it's 15 minute. This 15-minute breaks here, so we can definitely see this unfilled 15 getting hit into before eventually catching our long maybe equal highs here. Yep, equal highs here. We have an unfilled 15, not too far. Rebound. As far as 5s go, yeah, so looking pretty good. Let's see how the market goes. So you're going to tap into this 15-minute. We're going to fill this 15-minute bullish value gap. Really bullish reaction from this 15-minute bullish rally up. And we're going to fill this 1 hour on our rebound. So we're trading inside this now 1 hour for value up, which was the most obvious targets in the beginning, trying to get the draw here. I think we can definitely see catch a nice long, right? We have to see about these lows, fill in balances. So I think it can be something really nice here. Let's see if this 5-minute opens up. This 5-minute will definitely open up. If this 1 hour ends up getting inversed here, this 1 hour doesn't hold, then right now I want longs, but obviously I'll have to end up switching the bias here, trying to go for these lows, kind of go for these outside levels. This is also an unfilled 5. 5-minute rebalance. Maybe 4. When is this 4-minute close? Closes in 1 more minute. 3. We don't have a 3. We have a 2. We can at least click 1 more minute here. We don't have a 4. We don't have a 3. Unless this is like a super tiny 3. Nope. So it's gonna be this 2-minute here, which does close here. Okay. I'm going to take this 2-minute. Break even at the devil's mark, which is just a high with no wick. I can TP1 at 5-minute rebalance and full TP at 15-minute rebalance here, right? So 164 stop loss. Gotta pull out the chart here. Cool. Break even. One minute and stop loss at fair value low here. So about just a little bit above a 1-to-1 here. Again, Market open, we swept our sell side levels. We're holding and filled imbalances. We're trading inside this 1 hour fair value gap. Singular fair value gap. Momentum, no chop. Targets are clear. 5-minute rebalance, 15-minute rebalance. I like it, so we're gonna try it here. Again, we're gonna go in for one con here. 150, 150. We know our break-even spot is here. And take profits here. Yeah, stops this for value up low. And yeah, that's good. Okay, so just about there. Go ahead. Again, we're break even, take off the partial, and we'll hold the rest until the 15-minute rebalance here. So again, another TP1. Another TP1, break even. And let's see if it goes ahead and saves us here, or if now there's really no value gaps to bounce back off. Oh no, if we want to come back into like these 1 minutes here before getting the actual final push up here. So we're gonna trade back into these ones, and the break even will go ahead and end up saving us here. Let's go ahead and take out these lows here. So about got up 70 ticks before we took our very first partial, and we held the rest of the 15-minute. And we ended up getting stopped out break even. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do the last day here. Friday, it being no news. Quick skip over these. One more. Yes. Yeah. We haven't officially inverted this 4 hour. It looks like we're going to. Let me clear the drawings real quick. AM is here. That's 8 p.m. London, we really had this all up here. My bad, I'm just trying to figure out a good biased. This 15-minute already got inverted. We have a 15-minute rebalance here. This is looking like another London manipulation New York reversal. We broke that 15-minute fair value up there. It would be super nice if we could trade back into these 5 minutes. Trade back into these unfilled 5s here. Obviously, the best case scenario is trade back into this discounted 5 here. But if we can't, then the first 5 will be enough for me. Really look for another long here. Definitely have to trade lower. Okay. Equal highs here. Yeah, I would really just need to see us trade back into this 5. If we can't, then we can't. If we do, then I think we get a really good long setup here. So we're going to end up taking out those equal highs, no entry. So we did end up trading back to the, actually not even to the first 5. I guess we traded into like this one here. I definitely wanted to see like a more discounted 5, but regardless, no entry here. So we're going to hit my 2 draws initially, which again, was right on. Now we're trading. So we took out spot side liquidity. We're trading inside this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, which off the start is a clean rejection. So we still have these 5 minutes, like these unfilled 5s here. All right. I can even use this just as a clean good target. I was 5-minute rebalance one even lower. I'm trying to check out for some more equal lows. 15 minutes, 30. Cool. So we can see what we get here. Will we end up even getting? It's gonna be this literally 5-minute close to 5 minutes. Yeah, hopefully we can catch an entry here. So note to that 5-minute rebalance. Actually, to both of them, it ended up filling. Check the daily out here. Alright, just the daily. Completely white. If so, an hour of, I mean, it's not even 1 hour per value. I was kind of holding this up here. Kind of look like we want to see these lows. Maybe a little still early to tell. Okay. 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 And our purpose is potential 5-minute refill, depending on how we got here. Yeah, so I'm putting this 5-minute rebalance here. Potentially to put in a 15-minute. No equal highs. We can block that this is going to be a 15-minute rebalance. Okay, I like this 1 minute. We have a 5-minute rebalance. We have a manipulation leg that swept the low. That swept sell side here. We have a 1 minute inversion. J candle up, these unequal lows, so it's okay to take. 5-minute rebalance. Depending on the ticks here, we will check out the ticks. Targeting. We haven't put in this 15-minute just yet, but we can just target the second 5-minute rebalance here, right? Don't target this like this whole leg down here. Okay. So I want to target. I'll target full 15-minute rebalance here because I was going to target equilibrium of the dump we had here. But I think we can just 5-minute rebalance, break even there, and we can partial at a 1-to-1 if it's going to end up giving it to us. So we can partial exactly at a 1-to-1, which we can just partial here. All right. We'll take a TP1 at 1-to-1, and we'll hold the rest for 15-minute rebalance here. Okay, so I'm getting here for a con. Break even at the 5-minute rebalance, which is 133, 21.75. Full TP here. So this 15-minute rebalance is also the equilibrium of the stump. And this is what we're going for. Oh, I forgot to say stops at this. Stops at this low, right? 51 ticks here, 70 ticks, yeah. So it stops at this low. And yeah. Okay, so it's going to be a break-even trade here. So we were able to hit the 5-minute rebalance, which instantly breaks even this out here. So again, we can just go see if it says this here. So we will end up hitting the TP1 after break evening. So and we'll probably just slide out here, right? Receive these lows. Receive all these lows. Yeah, again, we can just take a look at it again. All right, I want an equilibrium of the stump. We already had our manipulation like here. That swept sell side. Singular fair value gap. J candle through it. All right, 5-minute rebalance is extremely high probability. We ended up hitting it. We ended up getting break even before we get to TP1. And again, the break even beautifully saves us here. Cool. And then we ended up hitting all these hourly sell side levels here. And that is the end of the backtesting session. That is Friday. Hope you guys are able to learn something. And I'll drop another week worth of backtesting next week. All right. Peace.